Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, leave a comment, share with a friend. All those do really help out the channel. So today's product I want to share with you is basically some smart RGB bulbs. Pretty straightforward. They're by a company called Aisirer. I'll include a link in the description. I'll take you to Amazon. You can check them out for yourself, see what the current price point is. They sell 2-packs, 4-packs, so you can kind of get whatever you want. But this is the box they come in. They are typical light bulb, so it's the E26 base. The natural light out of it is 27 Kelvin, but like I said, it's an RGB, so you can customize the colors. It is a 7-watt bulb, so that's equivalent of approximately 60-watt bulb. It has built-in, it can work with the Google, Siri, or Amazon assistants. How that works is you're going to download an app. It is a standard app that's in the store. It's called Smart Life. It works with a lot of various Wi-Fi enabled devices out there, so you can use it to control all kinds of stuff. It's a third-party app, so it's not an app by these guys, so you don't have to worry about it being discontinued or anything like that. But yeah, so the bulbs are a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi enabled device. It means you don't need a hub to have all these bulbs. So if you're used some of these in the past, sometimes you gotta have the little device that's plugged in your router. You don't need that. It's all built in here in one. And it is on the lower spectrum. So if you have a fancier router that has the dual or tri-band, these are going to be on the lower band, so they're not going to slow down some of your more intense devices, which is really, really nice. Now, through the app, you can program these to set 8 different kind of scene modes. I don't really use those, but you can. You can set it up for a timer, which is really great. That's a feature that I like. So you can set it up to turn on and off at certain times. And then it's fully programmable, so you can change the colors, you can dim it through the device. Now, I will say they are dimmable bulbs, but if you screw this into a lantern and you just use your dimmer, it's going to depend on which dimmer you have. Dimmers get into a whole nother conversation, whether it's 0 to 10 and all that kind of fun stuff, but they do have a tendency to flicker when it gets lower, so I've noticed don't really dim them from a wall dimmer. They're better to dim via the app. They can do a lot smoother dim down, so keep that in mind. It's LED, so you're going to get a long life out of them. LEDs typically last 30,000 hours or something like that. Now, I've been using them for a little while here. I haven't gotten any blinking or chip failures, but if you start blinking or something like that, that's typically a chip failure in the LED. You'll get that across all kinds of brands sometimes. So they do cover their warranties and stuff like that. So I'm sure you contact the company and they'll swap it out for you or help you out solving that problem there. But yeah, so let's kind of plug this in so you can kind of see the light. And then also they're going to be in the corner kind of showing you the features of the smart app, so you can see how that works. See, as we go through and kind of show you the different scenes and the different light colors and all that kind of stuff, so you get a feel for it. I think that Smart Life app is kind of an important thing because I was looking for a bulb that is not tethered to their own company. If you're making light bulbs, and you decide to change mode, or you're not going to update and support the app, that to me is more riskier than having your device work with a third-party app that's always maintaining it and upgrading it for the various OSs and stuff, so that way it stays current, which I find very important. So that is basically it. Like I said, let's go check out the footage. So yeah, so now we're back. I hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, there's a link in the description. Feel free to, like I said, leave a comment. Let me know where you guys are putting these bulbs, if you're using them to give you some mood lighting in the bedroom or in front of the TV, etc. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.